record-setting travel day across the country, the most people passing through U.S. airports since the pandemic started. The Transportation Security Administration reports 1.285 million passing through checkpoints yesterday. That breaks the previous record that was set on Wednesday this past week and marks the highest air travel level since March 15th. Now, that said, the new figure is a 50% drop in passenger volume from a year ago. And it is also a sign that at least some people are heeding health experts' advice to stay home. But officials looking to slow COVID-19 spread will tell you they wish more had taken that advice to stay home. Mid-Michigan Now's Dave Bondi rejoining us from the newsroom. You've been talking to a health director here in our area. What's he saying about the travel and what concerns does he have tonight?
Yeah, Mike, he is extremely concerned about the travel over the Christmas holiday. This is live right now, a look at how many flights are in the sky over the United States. Thanks to Flight Aware, you're taking a look right there. Joel Strasz is his name. He's concerned about Christmas, but also concerned about New Year's Eve that is coming up. There's lots of issues. Let's take a look at some of them. In the weeks leading up to Christmas, government leaders across the country, they urged Americans not to travel during the Christmas holiday. But looking at the numbers from the TSA, it looks like that didn't happen for the most part. Now, I talked to Bay County Health Director Joel Strasz, who is now worried, like I said, about New Year's Eve. He says the combination of alcohol and people gathering could create for another major spike in COVID-19 transmission. He has some strong words for everyone.
You need to distance, you need to have a mask on as much as possible. It might seem kind of uncomfortable and awkward in a family setting, but I'd rather be uncomfortable and awkward in a family setting than at a funeral.
And he also said some good things right there. And he says a year from now, hopefully, cross your fingers, he said we will be able to be back to normal and go out and celebrate New Year's Eve just as always. So he said just be careful when you're headed out this New Year's Eve. Live in the newsroom, Dave Bondi, Mid-Michigan Now. Mike.